Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a GPU runtime so training runs fast. This is the first actionable choice. Next, mount your Google Drive and copy or link datasets into /content/drive/my drive so storage persists. Once done, install libraries like PyTorch, transformers, and any dataset helpers. Make sure versions match your code. You do this now because dependencies and data access are prerequisites to executing cells that actually start model training. No idle steps. You now prepare the data pipeline and model. Tokenize or transform inputs, then save preprocessed files in efficient formats to reduce runtime overhead. Once done, implement a dataset and data loader with appropriate batch size, shuffling, and workers. These choices affect throughput. Then instantiate the model and optimizer, add a learning rate scheduler, and enable mixed precision to speed up training while saving memory. Also code checkpoints that save model state every n epochs, so you can resume without loss. You execute the training loop while monitoring loss and validation metrics, log to a file or tensor board, and write checkpoints to drive so they persist. Once complete, export model weights and tokenizer, and run a quick evaluation on a holdout set to verify behavior. Make sure to save a final packaged artifact for inference. If things go wrong, especially out of memory errors, reduce batch size, enable gradient accumulation, or switch to mixed precision. These are the fastest fixes to resume training without starting over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.